Today we're going to take a look at this 1960 Dodge Power Wagon Town Wagon. These were pretty rare when new. They didn't make a whole lot of them, and to find one frame off restored is pretty unusual. This is a factory 4x4 with the 4x4 only front fenders and the extension bumper with the braid and winch. Has a factory grill guard, which I've never seen another one. The 4x4 hubcaps, those usually got tossed or dented or rusted away, and pretty unusual to still see these. The trim package on the side, not very many of these came with the trim package. The hood ornament, the windshield surround, that was like trim package A, and then the side trim was a separate trim package, and to have this strip on the rear quarter is extremely rare. The truck has all new glass, all new window seals, all new weather stripping. On this side you can see I took the hubcaps off to show the 8-lug axles. It's a Dana 60 in the rear, Dana 40 up front. And believe it or not, power steering and power brakes were not very common on these. They were an option, and a rare option. This has both power steering and power brakes, pretty unusual. The truck also has some nice modern upgrades, has a AMP Research retractable running board. The 3-speed automatic was replaced with a 4-speed 727 with a low-car shifter. Has a Kenwood, Bluetooth, touchscreen, fancy head unit, pretty nice. Vintage air AC. And let's see what it's like on a drive.